you sleeping? Are you sleeping, Brother John? Brother John, morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing, ding, ding, dong, ding, ding, dong. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping, Brother Moose? Brother Moose, morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing, ding, ding, dong, ding, ding, dong. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping, Sister Hippo? Sister Hippo, morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing, ding, ding, dong, ding, ding, dong. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping, Brother Gator? Brother Gator, morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing, ding, ding, dong, ding, ding, dong. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping, Sister Panda? Sister Panda, morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing, ding, ding, dong, ding, ding, dong. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping, Brother Tiger? Brother Tiger, morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing, ding, ding, dong, ding, ding, dong. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping, Sister Elephant? Sister Elephant, morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing, ding, ding, dong, ding, ding, dong.
Hi, kids! From A to Z.
From east to west.
I'm Noah.
And I'm Olivia.
Welcome back to Dream Again! And we're back to our sing-along set.
Yay, sing-alongs!
Yay!
Yay!
Sing-along studio.
Oh, you know what?
What?
We never really explained to kids what sing-alongs are.
Well, why don't you do that?
Yeah, guys, so you know when you hear a song and you really like the song and you want to sing with it?
Yeah.
Well, a sing-along is a song you sing along with. So any song we sing, you get to sing too. Yeah.
Oh, so all of these songs that we're singing,
Yeah.
the kids get to sing along.
Yeah, that's why we're teaching them.
Yep.
Yeah.
And,
Wow.
and we'll also be teaching you later on how to do music and everything. But right now, we're just doing the basics.
Yeah,
the
yeah, yeah.
singing along part.
Yeah. Because the singing along part, I mean, it's really, really fun. Let's
Yep.
be honest, right?
Yes.
Everyone loves it.
Yep.
Perfect.
So, what song are we doing today?
Ooh, we are doing Frère Jacques.
Frere what?
Yeah, we're doing Frère Jacques. That's French. That means Brother Jack. But
Oh,
we're going to do it in English.
which means we're doing Brother Jack?
We're going to do Brother John.
Oh, why Brother John? Why not Brother Jack?
Oh,
What happened with that translation?
Noah. Yeah, that's a good question. I don't know. I think John just was a more common name in
Well,
English.
Probably.
But actually,
Yes.
I don't actually think we should do Brother John.
Oh, I know what we're doing.
What do you think we
I
should
have
do?
a special surprise.
Yeah.
Ta-da!
Yay!
We're doing it with our wild animals, aren't we?
Yeah. So we're
Because-
gonna do.
Because kids, well, why don't we do it once the way the original one is, but we're the ones that are creative. So we wanted to actually teach you something a little bit outside of the box. Because
Cool.
the actual song goes this way. One,
Two, three.
Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Brother John, Brother John. Morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing, ding ding dong, ding ding dong. You got that, kids?
Yeah?
That's the way the song goes, but we're gonna do it with our wild animals.
Yeah. Should we tell them all the animal names or?
Oh, let's just go right into it. I don't want to wait.
Yeah, are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. I think I can do this because this is the moose, and then we have hippo, gator, panda, elephant, tiger. Did you get that?
Awesome. Yep, I got it.
You got it?
Yeah, but I kind of am cheating because we talked about this before.
Yeah. And it'll be a nice surprise for the kids.
Yeah.
Oh, but you're right. They wanted to sing along.
Oh, yeah. Maybe we could
We'll do it once.
Yeah.
How about this? We'll do it once, and then the second time, the kids can sing along with us.
Oh, perfect.
Okay? Okay. So, how about you start the music, and I'll get my finger puppet ready.
Okay. Are we going to start with Brother John and then sing our animals, or start just with the animals?
No, we'll start with the animals.
Okay, perfect. I'm ready.
So, we'll go through it, and then the second time around, the kids can sing along with us.
Awesome. Okay.
Okay?
Uh-huh.
So, one,
two, three.
Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Brother Moose, Brother Moose. Morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing. Ding, ding, dong, ding, ding, dong.
Okay. And then the next animal is
Ooh.
the hippo.
Yay.
Sister hippo, okay?
Okay.
You got it?
Yep, I'm ready.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Sister hippo, sister hippo. Morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing. Ding, ding, dong, ding, ding, dong.
Okay. And then the next one is our alligator. But for the purpose of the song, we're just going to say gator.
Gator.
Okay.
Got it. Oh, wait. Brother or sister?
Oh, of course, brother.
Not of course. There are girl gators.
Are you
Sleeping? Are you sleeping? Brother Gator, Brother Gator. Morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing. Ding, ding, dong, ding, ding, dong.
And then, of course, we have a panda.
Ooh, I bet this one's a sister.
Yes.
Yay.
Good guess.
Awesome.
Okay.
Okay.
Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Sister Panda, Sister Panda. Morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing. Ding, ding, dong, ding, ding, dong.
And then we have the tiger. Roar. Okay. So this is Brother Tiger.
Brother Tiger? Okay.
Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Brother Tiger, Brother Tiger. Morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing. Ding, ding, dong, ding, ding, dong.
Woo!
And then the final one is Sister Elephant. Yay!
Woo! Okay.
Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Sister Elephant, Sister Elephant. Morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing. Ding, ding, dong, ding, ding, dong.
Wait. I have an idea.
Oh, what?
For the elephant, could we instead sing Ellie? Or we should stay with elephant?
No, I know a better idea.
What's your idea?
Come, we could do Sister Dumbo.
Okay, yeah, let's do that.
Okay.
1,
2,
3.
Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Sister Dumbo, Sister Dumbo. Morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing. Ding, ding, dong, ding, ding, dong.
I really liked the Dumbo movie. That was a good idea, wasn't
Yeah,
it?
that was a really, really good idea. So fun.
So kids, did you like that?
Yeah.
Do you want to sing it along with us?
Yeah, of course they do.
Okay, so just stay on and check us out and we'll sing it all together.
Yay! That'll be so much fun.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, thank you guys for coming.
Thanks.
Have fun.
Have fun and come sing it along with us.
Yeah, come sing it with us.
Oh.
Did you want to do your French version? Oh, should we do it one time?
Okay.
Okay.
Kids, we have another surprise just before we go.
Okay.
So, this song, as Olivia mentioned at the beginning, was called Frère Jacques.
Yeah.
Right?
Frère Jacques.
Did I say it right?
Yep, that's right.
Okay, so we thought because Olivia's so smart, she would do the French version for you kids.
I'm not really smart. My teacher just taught me it in school.
Okay.
Okay.
Do you want to do it?
Yeah.
And I'll do the beat.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3. Frère Jacques, dormez-vous, dormez-vous, Sonny Limited, dang dang dong, dang dang dong. That's it.
That's it?
Yeah.
Okay, we do it one more time?
Yeah, of course, of
Okay.
course. Okay, let's go. Okay.
One more time.
Frère Jacques, dormez-vous, Sonny Limited, dang dang dong, dang dang dong.
Wow.
Wow.
Pretty cool.
Thanks. That was
Okay.
really, really fun.
Well, check us out and we'll see you next time.
See you next time.
Bye.
Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping, Brother John? Brother John. Morning bells are ringing. Morning bells are ringing. Ding, ding, dong. Ding, ding, dong. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping, Brother Moose? Brother Moose. Morning bells are ringing. Morning bells are ringing. Ding, ding, dong. Ding, ding, dong. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping, Sister Hippo? Sister Hippo. Morning bells are ringing. Morning bells are ringing. Ding, ding, dong. Ding, ding, dong. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping, Brother Gator? Brother Gator. Morning bells are ringing. Morning bells are ringing. Ding, ding, dong. Ding, ding, dong. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping, Sister Panda? Sister Panda. Morning bells are ringing. Morning bells are ringing. Ding, ding, dong. Ding, ding, dong. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping, Brother Tiger? Brother Tiger. Morning bells are ringing. Morning bells are ringing. Ding, ding, dong. Ding, ding, dong. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping, Sister Elephant? Sister Elephant. Morning bells are ringing. Morning bells are ringing. Ding, ding, dong. Ding, ding, dong.
Hi there. If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!